doon sa mga ka-RFF na ayaw ng mag-alinlangan, ayaw ng mag-research, ayaw ng mag-aral, mutual funds can be good alternatives. Kasama kayo sa merkado, nakataya kayo sa ekonomiya without having to go through the headache of managing your own money. For those people who are really risk-averse, index funds would be a good choice. But you know, unlike what other people say, kasi alam niyo po, sa mga tinatawag na efficient markets like the United States, index funds are the way to go kasi managed funds daw don't beat the index. The Philippines is a totally different story. Many of our managed funds beat the index except for a couple of years. Almost always, our fund managers, Filipino fund managers, almost always do better than the indices. And why do I say that? Because we do not have an efficient market like the way they have it in the United States.